Hello, I'm Darcy Mehta from Lumos Learning, and in this video, I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The passage I have chosen for this demonstration is suitable for students in the 8th grade. Let me just open this speech on the Lumos Learning website. By the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. This excerpt is from ushistory.org about Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is a hero of American history. During his more than 80 years of life, this intelligent man made such a difference in the lives of not only the American colonists who lived at the end of the 1700s, but in our lives today. He was a writer, a scientist, a leader, an inventor, and used his talents to create new products that we still use. Not only was Benjamin Franklin an important part of the American Revolution, he also contributed a vast amount of inventions that helped the American colonists during the 1700s. So as you can see while I'm reading, there's another great tool that you can use, and that is these underlined words here. You can click on them and view the meaning. Let's try vast. The meaning pops up. Of very great extent or quantity, immense. Now, let us say you want to practice one of the words from the story or learn more about it. Well, you can simply click on that word in the right side menu. Let's try out colonist. This opens a fun and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Let's take a look. Here you can view the definition, a settler in or inhabitant of a colony, hear the pronunciation,
colonist.
See what part of speech it is, a noun, see an example, and you can add it to your word list, which you can create by creating an account and following the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use this View Passage button here on the left side so that you can view the word that you just learned within the passage. Not only was Benjamin Franklin an important part of the American Revolution, he also contributed a vast amount of inventions that helped the American colonists during the 1700s. And last but not least, an amazing feature is that you can actually upload an image of the word that you just learned, and there you can also make notes and save it, and that way you can revisit the word later and you'll have the image to look at. As you can see, it's fun, super easy, and a wonderful way to learn new words, and there are thousands of resources available on the platform. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description and learn about Benjamin Franklin and become a fluent reader. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.